Okay, so the 8 a.m. advisory is in on Zeta. Still a strong tropical storm with winds at 70 miles per hour. Hurricane warning still in play from Cozumel right around the bend here through the Yucatan Peninsula. Tropical storm warnings as well for parts of the Yucatan and the western tip of Cuba. Tropical storm and hurricane conditions likely across these regions here within the next 36 hours or so. Here are the latest numbers: 70 miles per hour, moving to the northwest at 9 miles per hour. And with that general track, we are talking about hurricane conditions within 36 hours for the Yucatan and very heavy rain across this region as well. Here's your track and intensity forecast, and we're going to pause at a couple of different times so that you can kind of glean some extra details from this. So here we go. Landfall likely across the Yucatan Peninsula here overnight tonight. This is a snapshot of 12 a.m. Category 1 hurricane, and then it works out into the Gulf of Mexico, and then we watch the northern Gulf Coast all over again. This part of the world cannot catch a break. 75-mile-per-hour hurricane here just shy of landfall, which will likely come at some point on Wednesday if this track and intensity forecast verifies. These things almost always get updated from time to time here. The next track, by the way, will be coming out at 11 a.m. Every 6 hours, you get a brand new track. So we'll see what that new track says at 11 a.m. There's that entire track. So you can see a couple of landfalls, the Yucatan, and then again, middle of the week, somewhere across the northern Gulf Coast. So along with 1 to 3 feet of storm surge and tropical storm and hurricane force winds likely within 36 hours, very heavy rain too. So we're talking about isolated, maybe even 12 inches of rain through parts of the Yucatan. Could get some isolated amounts like that through the Caymans and western Cuba as well. But in general, the heaviest rain will be near and just to the east of that track. And you can see green, even some yellow possible here for parts of the northern Gulf Coast into the southeast. So likely looking at some heavy rain across this part of the world as well. Of course, NBC6 will be all over it. Again, that new track comes out at 11 a.m.